Okay, so I'm going to do another follow-up unboxing video. This is a box, and I'm fixing to open it. When you see what's inside, you will be so happy that you took the time to see what is in here, okay? The other day, you may have watched my unboxing video and seen me get a keyboard from Glarry Music. What do they call it? Glarry instrument, or Glarry. I don't know how you pronounce it. But this is the stand. And this is the seat based for the piano. So look at this. I got a little seat that I can take anywhere I can strap it to. And then I will be able to sit on it while I play my new Glarry, whatever, keyboard. And it folds up in half. And so I'm still waiting for the, what do you call it? The stand for the keyboard to show up. I'm very excited that this is here. It seems pretty sturdy, I would think. And let's see. Look at that. I sat on it and it didn't fall down. It's nice and cushiony for my posterior. So anyway, we will get to playing this here keyboard soon. See ya.